Good morning, everyone. We are Group 1 from ITE10, Section CJ1, and we will be reporting for today. The Internet and World Wide Web, Part 1, Computer Communications and Network. How does computer communicate with each other? How computer server and client works. Illustration on the process of their communications.
What is a client? Used in home and corporate networks, a client is any computer hardware or software device that requests access to a service provided by a server. Clients are typically seen as the requesting program or user in a client-server architecture. Client and user devices typically include desktop computers, laptops, and smartphones. In a computer network, a client in a client-server model is what requests a service or sources from a server. The server can be located on or off premises.
We will now be moving on to the next slide. What is a server? In a computing, a server is a piece of computer hardware or software. Computer program that provides functionality for another programs or devices called clients. That architecture is called the client server model. Servers can provide various functionalities, often called services, such as sharing data or resources among multiple clients or performing competitions for a client. A single server can serve multiple clients, and a single client can use multiple servers. A client process may run on the same device or may connect or another network to a server on a different device. We'll now be moving on to the next slide.
Main types of network architecture. There are two types of network architecture, peer-to-peer and client-server. In peer-to-peer architecture, two or more computers are connected to as peers, meaning they are equal power and privilege on the network. A peer-to-peer network does not require a central server or coordination. Instead, each computer on the network acts as both a client, a computer that needs to access a service, a server, a computer that serves the needs of the client accessing a service. Each peers make some of its resources available to the network, sharing storage, memory, bandwidth, and processing power.
Next slide. As you can see in the illustration, mauni ang client-server network. Isa ka server, tas moagi sa internet, mo bali dahil sa mga clients. Whereas ang peer-to-peer network, both ang client is siya po ang server, combine, meaning share sila data to one another. Bale, ug unsay makita ni kuan client 1, makita na ni client B ug the rest of the clients. Kita na ni client 3, client 2, client 4. Sa server, sa client server network, si server lang magbuot kung sa ipakita niya kang client 1 o client 2, client 3. Pero dili makita sa client kung sa naa sa server. In the event na madaot ang kuan, ma-crash ang server, sa client server, pag madaot ang server dira, wala gyud mabuhat ang client. Wala gyud sila, madaot sila. Pa sila mabuhat kay igura man sila gadawat og data kang server. Whereas kang peer-to-peer network,
dili sila madaot kay abilin magyapon si client 2, 3 ug 4 bisan pag madaot si client 1 dili sila maunsa kay nag-share sila data bali mas advantage sa peer to peer is mag-share sila data walay dili kung madaot ang isa dili madamay ang tanan kami we are the reporters Sean Kester A. Bernales
Lawrence Alminiano,
Zorit Jesse Alviso.
this is our links if ever gusto mo mag-search i-check na lang mo na and thank you for watching our report